Hey guys, Sarge here. I just thought I'd show you what kind of a mess my little Tweety bird does. Check it out. Look at these strips. And then sometimes she like, you know, they turn their heads like 180 degrees. She plants them on her back as, I don't know, feathers. I have no clue what that behavior is, but it's funny as heck. I'll be looking at her, and down her back I see one or two of these things sticking out. It's funny. I don't know if she'll do it now, because now she's busy. There's a lot of pages to chew on. Oh yes, sirree, Bob. There's a lot of paper to go through. Where do we start? All right. Yeah. Okay, let's do the edge. No? Yeah, maybe. Alright, let's go to town. So now I'm going to have like about, by the time she's done, I'd say about 50, 60 of these little strands of paper all over the place, and if she decides to fly off, well, that's even more fun because she blows them all over the place. Hilarious. But you gotta love them. There's such a life to have in the house. It's insane. Alright guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. Cheers. Sarge out.